The online ba sad mo sa other classes ninyo? Or the face-to-face mo? Hello. Pero wa pa gyud nag face-to-face gyud. Mag-online lang ta eh. Okay, at least may interaction ba? Naglisod sad ni activity. No, kaya ninyo? Activity ni? Hoy.
No, ma'am. Lisod, charot.
Charot. Sige, let's proceed. So, our last portion of the discussion was ako na lang siyang i-download no kay murag na ay problema sa drive. Motong ni-loading akong drive. May puno na kayo. Anyways, our last portion of part of the discussion was the equation of motion. We also discussed katong ground excitation. Ako lang i-repeat balik unya kay sayo dito nga notes no katuday kay shortcut na to nga notes. So balik ko to nato. So anyways, so we have this no our equation of motion. Our F is equal to our F is equal to MA and our F is equal to KB and part which makes the equation beautiful. Okay. Lahi ni siya nga alternative for formulation that is by virtual work. Okay. So here, ganihan manggod ang ato ang ganihan. Previously manggod ang ato ang derivation of the equation was based on a horizontal setting. Ano siya? Ligid. Yung displacement was along the x. So, what does the effect of gravitational forces do on our system? No? So, the situation here is force of gravity acts in the direction of the displacement. So, for this case, our response, our displacement is along the y direction. No? That is in the direction of gravity. So for this case, daghan kay kag this case. This case nilagay. Okay. So we have our equilibrium of forces written as. No? So let's take a look at this one. This is our system and this is our free body diagram. So you have your force from your spring, your force from your damper, and then you have your inertia, no? Which is represented by this. So, naana ni sila. Then you have your applied load, which also varies with time. But now, we now have your weight of your body, which is working together with your applied load, no? The same direction sila. So, naa sila sa other side of the station. Mura lagi po siya normal statics. Yeah, summation forces. Yes. So, from this diagram, we get this equation. Okay. However, if the total displacement Vt, your total displacement, is expressed as the sum of the static displacement due to weight and dynamic displacement, then we have this. So VTDI is a representation of two parts. Why? Your weight does not change with time. Weight time is equal to weight. Dili ka mugaan, mubugat if my T is whatever value greater than 0. So this is constant. However, my displacement, my dynamic displacement varies according to the load of the dynamic loading. So, mugamay akong load, mugamay akong dynamic displacement. And thus, your total displacement is a representation of two parts, your static and your dynamic. So, spring force becomes FST, which is equal to KVT, as K times your static displacement plus K times your dynamic displacement. Our equation thus becomes this. So, kani siya, mabuak siya guys. And since weight is equal to KST, diba? Okay, this is represented by this aspect, the static displacement. We have this. Okay. Ma'am, balik sa next slide. Okay. Kanina siya. Gikan diri na ang atong definition sa kani is composed of terms. Okay. So, if we differentiate this, since this is constant, mawagtang ni siya. So, your displacement, static displacement, does not vary with time, and thus your acceleration dynamic kaniya ang naay may atong dynamic, ang kani atong static, and thus ug ako ni siyang i-differentiate, kani siya constant, zero ni siya, diba? So mura ra ko ang akong derivative ani equal ra sa derivative na ko ani kay zero man siya, so equal to dynamic derivative. Moreover, if I derive this again, my velocity, total velocity is equal to my dynamic na acceleration is equal to my dynamic acceleration. Constant siya. Okay. Mangutan ko, K plus 12 naman mo, no? K12 naman mo, no? Naaman mo calculus, di ba? Pag grade 11 ninyo, si Agarin, lagid akong student ko. Anyways, mangutan ko ba, laong ba to ang inyong calculus sa una? Nakaagi naman mo calculus sa college? Kalahi-lahi mo mo background doon. Inot.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
inot?
ma'am.
Laong ba to inyong calculus pag senior high ninyo?
Di kasi allow, ma'am, kay more on kanang gidituras formula ba, wala kayong drive yun, pero kanang bali basic ra ba?
Unsa man ka basic?
Like kanang dituras sa mga formula, ma'am, uban mga ipagtudlo, wala kay i-deep in ba sa pag-derive sa formula ba?
Pero wala mo naglabad inyong pagsud ninyo sa calculus diri sa college. Labad kayo.
Labad mo kay ang gitudlo mo sa senior high good kanang dim sa ingon ka ana ka kuan good ka deep good mo to
Gamit
nag-adjust
rag formula, no?
base formula ba lahim gina imong i-derive good ba na i-deep nimo ba?
Wa pag yun mo analytic geometry, mga inana, no?
Wala mo kana dito gid mi ana
Oh, nya.
mag-refer mi ana.
which is gamit sa jud siya sa
Gamit
calculus,
yun.
ika-derive ninyo sa mga formula, no?
Yes, ma'am. Sakto yun.
Kinsa ba diri gikan og public high school? Raise ko no og hand. Kaya kung concern ang mga public high school, ay, sorry ha, kanang out of, ano siya ba, sa atong class. Na-alarm lang ko kay, di ba, expected na ba ya, unta nga kabao mo magkalkilos, ikasud ninyo sa college, kaya na naman may kalkilos pag senior high, no? Pero, gahapon, nag-interview mo sa mga students niya. Sila ang dagko grad pero sa entrance exam. Na-alarm ko kay out of the 7 nga ako ang gipangutan nag-interview, 7, 8 gid eh. What is the derivative of 5? Usa ray nakakuha. Usa ray ni answer og 0. Gikan siya UC. Ang uban even FINMA wa kay baw. Napay nitubag na akong derivative of 5 kay 1/5. Unang nangutan ako ba? O kinsay kay kamo pareho man mo niya. Murag lisod siya, no? Munang daghan siguro ako maglabat ako o ako mutudog 5 kilos murag daghan din ako.
Mas nindot mo itong sa una, ma'am, katong old curriculum.
No? Nga kanang ang mga math kay gibutang sa college, no?
O sa first year, ang back to basic ba?
Oo.
Bali, master yun
Oo.
mayo.
Oo. Sige, sige. Kadali lang ha. Balik lang ko. Sir, ako sa iyo. Ha? Hi, sir. Ako na ipamessage. Okay, balik ko. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Padayon na tayo. So, mo to, na-realize na ko nga bati ang setup sa senior high. Agree ba mo? Kay, like, sa amo ang time no, kami nilang Sir Willin. Before mi nitungtong og calculus, niagi mi namgitay trigog algebra sa high school. Pero niagi mi balik na sa college, niagi mi trigo, algebra, analytic geometry, solid mensuration, differential calculus, integral calculus, dayon differential equation ug advanced math. Mo na mo mga maths. So daghan kay ang nawagtang before calculus nga ikatungtong og calculus kay usa ra ka calculus. Mo man na inyo ha, di ba? Usa ra ka calculus. Yeah, daghan kay ang nawagtang nga natudlo sa high school. May lang strong ang math sa inyong naskwilahan kay makasugak po dira. Ina akong point of view. Anyway, thank you. Amo lang i-discuss lang niya sa higher admin. Dako siyang Problema kay magkatay-katay man gud siya. Gamit baya ang calculus diri sa hydraulics, di ba? Kabantay mo diri sa kanang pag-derive ninyo sa inyong mga head o sa bana siya, rotating vessel. Gamit siya sa statics. Naghagamit ang calculus labi na integral o differential sa kita differential. Anyways, padayon. Thank you sa inyong comments and suggestions. Okay, balik ta. So here, no, asa naman ta? Okay. So, if we rewrite this one, kani siya, it could be rewritten as this. Okay, given that if we differentiate this, we come up with these two equalities. No, so from here, if we write the equation in terms of the dynamic displacement, we can also express the other terms in velocity and acceleration in terms of the dynamic terms. So the two equations shows that with reference, no? Take note, with reference to the static equilibrium position of the dynamic system is not affected by gravity force. That is, this is just equal to this if we have already considered the static condition. With important din siya with reference to the static equilibrium position. Thus, succeeding discussions will be referenced from the static equilibrium position para dili na ta magdahi og consideration and will be labeled as general VT without the bar. Displacements that are to be determined will thus represent only dynamic response. And total deflection stresses are obtained by adding the static quantities to the results of the dynamic analysis. Pero di na kita maabot din kung ano na siya, kanang overall general formulation. Kita maabot. So, na-discuss na ni nato, no? Atong support excitation. That is, we have ground displacement. So, let's go over it lang quickly. Dynamic stresses and deflections not only induced through time varying applied load, which is your PT, but also by motion of the support points. So, example is the motion of building foundation caused by our earthquake. So, ano ni siya, discuss na tayo gahapon na our horizontal girder is assumed to be rigid and to compose the moving mass of the structure. Our columns are weightless and are not extendable. Dili siya ma-stretch along the vertical or the axial direction. However, the stiffness will be related to its flexural behavior. So resistance to girder displacement is provided by each column representing its spring constant. Half na lang siya as K over 2 since we have two columns. The mass has a single degree of freedom, which is along the x direction associated with column flexure. And damping C provides a velocity proportional resistance to the motion in the same coordinate. So our equilibrium, of course, is this. We have from damping and from your springs. However, one here, Fi, is equal to, kani ang wala nang discuss. However, Fi here is equal to this. Is not basically just the acceleration, no, which is derived from the VT. No? Ang VT na to, kanira man po. We need to consider that your moment of inertia considers the totality of its displacement. No? That is, we need to consider this V total. No? Kaya makita na to dire. Ang K only is affected by this. Ang imong damping kay naara siya sa system sad alone na consider. However, ang movement sa imong mass total siya no from your sa structure mismo plus the movement of your ground. So moment your inertial force thus needs to consider the total. So where V T total is the total displacement of the mass from the fixed reference axis. So for this case, lahi mo na to dire. Okay. Yan back to gahapon natin discussion. The total motion of the mass is expressed as this one from the graph and from the figure is simply this plus this one. So from here, we can simply make buwag this term into this and this, okay? Where these three are correlated and this is related to your ground movement. Or since the ground acceleration represents the specific dynamic input to the structure, no? So, kani siya, kani ato equation, pwede ni siya ibalhin sa gawas sa pikas, no? Kani siya ibalhin sa pikas. Because of this, wala mo good tayo PT, di ba? The PT is our input, no? Mao ang atong applied load. For this, from this equation, these are responses of your building. However, this one, related siya sa mahog nga mausad ato ang version of the input. So, mo na siyang i-consider na lang, ibalhin siya sa gawas and now labeled as P effective. No? Represents the effective support excitation load, which is equal to your acceleration times your mass of your battery. 10 minutes na lang. If this ends, please use the same link and we'll continue on with our discussion. So, mo na siya. No? So, makita sa diri na ang ato ang base shear related sad siya sa ato ang mass. Okay? See. So the structural deformation caused by the ground acceleration, these are exactly the same produced by, if ever we consider this as PT, no? Or simply P effective. So regardless of unsa ang atong input type diri, if it's given gikan sa taas nga PT or given gikan sa ubos nga translated as P effective due to your displacement, your equation of motion on the other side of the equation remains the same. Okay? Question. Paspas tayo? Valiente. Question? Valiente, question? Yes, valiente.
Wala, miss.
Lisaw, question?
Wala, ra, miss.
Lisaw?
Wala, ra, miss.
Sige. Sige, parikapon ta mo, o wala may question. Okay. Wala may question, meaning nakasabot mo, no? So, parikapon ta mo sa ato na-discuss. Si mga basadista mo siya. Okay. Gravity versus support excitation. So may major points na to dire. Can I have bunto yan? Is buntuyan here? Hello. Buntuyan. Buntuyan. Absent is buntuyan. Kaya mag-check og attendance. Hello. Pwede ta mag-camera on. Palihog. Mag-check og attendance. Camera on palihog. Madali yan, mag-snip sa ako. So, wala, gila si Puntuyan mo. Or nahadlok ni siya murita. Di sa siguro hadlok. Eh. So, very easy. Very basic. Di ang ikahadlok. Sige. Kuan ko, no? Kinsa man dili ay. Sige, kanis Valiente. Okay, nakichika man siya. Sige, Valiente. Unsa may kuan kanang major points nato sa due to gravity o due to ground excitation. Sige. Valiente.
Kansa to, miss?
Gravity o ground excitation. O sa may major points na atong nakuha man to. Kinsa man ito pa di mo Valiente, pansirag apil Valiente.
Dagan, miss. Dire, miss.
Sige. Palihog ko. Tupad mo aning Vilvistri, no?
Yes,
o sige,
miss.
Vilvistri. Tabangi og answer. Hasta si Oliver, oh. Sige, tabangi ninyo og answer. Kung lang nagtupad mo diha. Ang kuyaw ani og ang luyo aning blue nga wall kay beach day na. Online ta din ang laag din mo. Sige.
Kami sa education building.
Namo sa asa?
CPU, miss.
Sige. Palihog ko, be. Kuan. Isa to. Isa to. Ito share screen. Ito kung di sa suwat. Sige. Kuan. Isa to. Hindi pang kami. Basta nyo, sige, kung yaw-yaw niya, wak mo kasabot niya, mo inon lang mo no question. Girisi na kita, ni. Sige. Major points. Pass lang sa. Sige. Daghan kay kong
Pass,
time.
miss.
Tagsa-tagsaon ka mo. Kabahog. Kabahog. Na, ug ako ning iisi, di mo katubag ani.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Kabahog.
Sige, ito po. Tala, miss.
Major points sa gravity versus ground excitation.
Si ground. Pero okay ba, miss? Isa tong ground, yes, ground citation.
Ground excitation.
Na-discuss na, miss.
Uy, gikan kong discuss ganiha. Uy. Ala.
Nalit mo, usod ng good, miss.
Hmm? Sige, sulon, be. Sulon, sulon.
Big ground.
Sulon. Sige, sulon.
Ang tanis kay ground ay sa gravity kay tungod sa
Ground.
gravity niya ground excitation kay tungod sa earthquake or wind loads.
Oh, unya. Unsa may mahitabo sa imuhang equation of motion?
Wala na ako kasabot diha, miss.
Iyay ka. Hot doon jud sa mo. Patigayon. Dali, agtang lang mo pakita. Dali, patigayon.
Saan, miss? Atong same sa giingon ni Sulon, miss, nga ang hinungdan sa kanang support excitation earthquake niya sa gravity kay mao maka-cause of ay kanang ang gravity, miss, nga mao nay magpakuan sa attract sa object sa center of the earth.
Uy, napag-center of the earth. Sige. Ikaw, patigayon na. Sige, ang core ba? Equation of motion ba mo kung ipanguntan na? Sige, Oliva. Put doon tamo, dali. Oliva. Oliva.
Yes, miss.
Sige. Isa man. Same question, Oliva. Uy. Oliva.
Yes, miss. What we're
Kastuya,
going is
ani. Mana, manis pilbistri na. Sige, Franza. Franza.
Miss,
Oh.
yes, miss. Nakipangutan na, miss.
Unsa man?
Unsa na, miss?
Hello. Huwag yan po yung makatubag. Ano na lang, guys. Para sa maganahan mo ba? No? Murag sige de kung discuss niya. Nangutan ako question. May mo question. Nangutan ako kasabot. Mura sang nakasabot. Nya mo question ko. May mo tubag. May mo katubag. Quiz na lang na to, ha? So, nag-post ko sa Google Classroom. that is due tonight, no? Discuss gravity versus earthquake excitation. What happens to your dynamic equation? Ano na lang ha? Unsay mga points, major points. Okay? Guys, ang lisod kayo magpadayon to yung wala ito nagkasinabot. Uy, unsa mo? Nasabtan ra ko? Kato, nasabtan ako na. Nga mag-quiz ta no. Sige. Ang gilisod kayo magpadayon ta inyo wala ito magkasinabot ug ina niya mag-face to face ta oy. Sige. Questions. Wala. Huwag siya po'y question. Yan ang mupungutan na. Sige. Di na lang ilang sa nato humanon ang ato ang class for today. I'll give you time to go over the formula. Read it. Internalize. Okay? Answer the question. Upload your answers. It's due today before 12. Oh, suwat niya, i-upload niya akong kolektahon ang inyong i-upload. Thank you. Napila yung question? Sige. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.